Yeah, hi again with a great networking session. We have a leader from Kashiv Bioscience, Mr. Rohit Jadhav, who will be speaking on the peptides, how it is impactfully, and the strategies can be used in the pharma industry, and what are the challenges faced by the pharma industry here. Hi, Mr. Rohit.
Yeah,
Uh, How's the future of peptides in the biomolecules is facing challenges in the pharma industry? Could you have any impact on that? Could you give us a little more insight on this, please?
yeah. First of all, thanks City Pharma to arrange this kind of session. This is really kind of current practical problem that we are facing for that peptide development that you are pitching right now. And your question is like directly valid that peptide development is the most critical part right now to get product commercially approved by scientific research, whatever that scientific research required to develop the drug product is in a way which is catered the requirement of published guideline of US FDA, which is not even completely written in a way that need to be segregated in a multiple research way. By I can just simplify that activity that to develop any peptide in drug product need to start taking care from drug substance to drug product, and that even if it is not possible and single-handedly must needed industrial academic collaborations where key experts need to involve to define that product impurity profile, whether that impurity profile will induce up to immunogenicity level or not, and the second that aggregation part of that peptide along with that higher order structure of that peptide. So defining the peptide product is a really critical part. Sometimes that suffice a requirement of bioequivalence, that one of the in vitro drug release tests can have a bio waiver of clinical studies also. That's why these key tests, key characterization parts are must essential for that peptide, and their kind of advancement is available, that expertise are available but need to explore in a way that cannot be considered as a simple generic product. So this is our key learning and experience that we can share.
Thank you so much for this, Mr. Rohit. Also, one last thing to end up with peptides. What is a formulation method or a formulation kind of strategy you would explain to the pharma industry in the peptides, and how it can be an insightful and profitable to the pharma industry if they are working with it?
Currently, that injectable dosage forms are available. There are that generic versions are coming with that, but many are depot injectable also available.
Okay.
And there are key characterization techniques are already available in a guideline, available with multiple literature. If they can be summarized in a way by depth of experimental data, that will suffice even that bio clinical requirement, that can be suffice a requirement of bioequivalence. So this is a way that injectable dosage form is much more in the way for the peptide molecule.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rohit. That was really great knowledge about sharing peptides, and you coming from Kashiv Bioscience with sharing a lot of peptide information into formulation. Thank you so much for this. Once
Thank you.
again, thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you.